switch port mode access, and it probably already has it on there, but just in case it doesn't, just make sure you're doing this. And then switch port access VLAN 10. And see, that's exactly why we want to have access, because we're trying to get our interface range of ports access to the VLAN 10, which we just did right there. And now we got to just continue on with the 20 now. Interface range F0 slash 18 24. I don't think we have to do this every time, but I'm just going to do it every time because last time I did this project on my own, I got 99% completion, and I want to figure out what I did. So as you see, all we're doing is getting the interfaces in there. Now we're on 30. 0 slash 6 10, and switch port mode access. And switch port access VLAN 30. Got that in there. And then when we get to the native, when we get to VLAN 88, there's not really a range, but we do want to make that our native VLAN. So there is a configuration that we have to do to get that set up correctly. Just a second, it's right here. Oh, yes, of course, we got a trunk VLAN 99. Invalid, let's see here. Okay. Before we move on to getting the native VLAN, let's sorry, I lost my cursor. Let's now go into interface VLAN 99. As you're going into interface VLAN 99, it'll change the state to up, and we're in configuration mode. Now we need to give an IP address for the interface VLAN 99. So let's do that. And the IP address that we're using is right here, 172.179. So let's just do it off here. IP address 172.17.99.10 space 255.255.255.0. And now we have assigned an IP address to the management VLAN, which is all we had to do, because that's going to be the VLAN that manages the other VLANs. And what we need to do to the native VLAN, which is G01 that you see over here, is we have to trunk that, because if we check out our configuration up here, we still have red in G01. So interface G0/1, and watch out for what I just did there. Don't do O's, do a 1. Okay, and we want to trunk this. Type in switch port mode trunk, and we want to switch port native VLAN 88. Now we should be able to exit out of here and see if we have the connectivity that we're looking for. Oh, come on now. So close. Okay, we're almost there. But instead of, I shouldn't have exited out yet. I didn't do the default gateway. So just a sec. We gotta get back in here real quick. We're at 95% out of 100% completion rate though, so we're very close. Yes, that's right. I had to do a default gateway, which I accidentally skipped. So here we go. Get back into interface. VLAN 99. Enter that. And now we gotta get into IP default gateway. And the default gateway address. Hold on. Make sure that's not getting out. Touchy optical mouse. God. Okay, the default gateway address is the same as the IP address that you used up here. 172.17.99.1. So we entered the IP default gate, and we had to do an interface range of F0/1 space dash space 5 comma and then space and then G0/2. What this is going to do after I type it in is we'll hit shut, and that will shut down those ports that aren't necessary to use throughout this network. So let's see here. Yeah, and that's where we want. That's what we. Yep. Okay. There we go. Let's check out our connectivity now. Or actually, you know what? Before we do that, we can just do a show VLAN. See how we did? And on the default one we have, they're all active, everything's up and running, so that's good. See if we got everything here. Verify R1, S1, and all PCs should be able to ping each other.